Hello, dear believers. I'm Fueler 74. May God bless you all. I'm right here on BitChute. You also can find me all over the place. My channel is so highly censored, but that's okay. I'm going to still keep on rocking and rolling. That's right. So I'm also on YouTube, Fueler 7474, Twitter, Fueler 747, and hello all my Facebook friends. I mean a whole lot of African beautiful friends all over there in Africa. And Facebook, they really think they slick. They'll censor your channel in a minute. But I was here reading, Behold, now is the scepter time. Behold, now is the day of salvation. 2 Corinthians 6 and 2. Romans 3 and 23. For all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. And dear believers, I just created this video here, musical video, and remember, I'm still practicing. I'm trying to get good so I can be in the orchestra when I get to heaven. Take a listen to this. When I get to heaven, I want to be in the orchestra. Go, Fueler, go. My created music, heavenly bound. God created the heavens and the earth. You have the heaven above. You have the heavens where the stars are located and the sun and the moon. And you have the third heaven, or the first heaven, that's earth. He put water above, and you have water below. And then we have the dry land. Fueler riding his scooter in the middle of the highway. Go, Fueler, go. God said, believe on the Lord Jesus Christ, and thou shalt be saved, and thy house. Acts 16 and 31. Who is it? Who you say it is? Who's knocking on my door? Oh, it's Jesus. Dear believers, Jesus just knocked on my door. Jesus said, behold, I stand at the door and knock. If any man hear my voice and open the door, I will come to him. Revelations 3:20. Jesus knocking on my door. I said, Lord, I want to be in the orchestra when I get to heaven. Jesus said, keep on practicing, Fuller. I said, yes, Lord. I want to kick the music out in heaven. We're going to be jumping around, shouting, eating cantaloupes and grapes and manna. All kind of manna from heaven. Behold, Fuel, I stand at the door and knock. If any man or woman hear my voice, open the door. Open the door, Fueler. I will come in and sup with you. Revelation 3:20. The believers have fun. Keep on praying and being watchful. We're living in a wicked time. Keep your mind stayed on the Lord, and you're going to have it made under the shade tree. And when Jesus cracked that sky and come back to get us, we're going to be ready with plenty of oil in our lamps. Behold, now's the accepted time. Behold, now's the day of salvation. 2 Corinthians 6:2. Bye-bye, guys. Fueler, go, Fueler, go. Take care of yourself, guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.